Today we'll talk about how can you disable optimize image uh, on your WordPress app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click on your name down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on app settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to optimize images, click in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here optimize images disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you accurate. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.